Watch, watch, watch. Hear me, man? Of the world, it's not a plan. Watch what go on, man. A franchise, the choosing one. The 10-star general. You know I'm not deal with lollipop thing. You know a loud explosion each and every time you hear me drop necessary equipment. When me sound the big thing them. Watch. You hear me I go on with a nice Sunday morning, you know, man. Watch. Good morning.
Good morning, Dan.
Alright, good. Watch this. So, me look a man upon live and him there they talk a bag of bullshit because him claim say him not believe. Him claim say him not believe. Say Vybz Kartel and Popcorn good. Well, you don't know, you know. That is just a thought in a few mind, you know what I mean? That's not necessarily true. That's what I deal with because you don't know each and every one of them entitled to their own opinion. So I'm not even going to blast him down like that. But what I say straight up still, here what go on. The man I said the reason why Vybz Kartel and Popcorn now go good, now go back together like that because Popcorn now go really want to underneath the wings of Vybz Kartel because him already bust already and it a go shadow him. But I want to know what kind of fuck him there chat. I know some music go, my brethren. You never know. I know some music go. And everybody in the world don't know Vybz Kartel is a bigger brand for Popcorn when you talk about dancehall music. Vybz Kartel are the biggest brand when it comes to dancehall music in all genre over the blood clot world. So if Popcorn can go up on tour with Jake, that's what I deal with. Respect my brothers, yeah? If the man can go up on tour with Drake and Rihanna them all over the world, why him can't go up on tour with Vybz Kartel? I fuck you now try to think of some music go. The two of them international. Let me tell you that. If you never know. So why you think him can't go up on tour with Vybz Kartel? Yo, you don't remember back then when the police them claim say the more Movada for questioning and Movada have to come off of the European tour and go into them. What you think? You think I did Movada tour? I did Killer tour him there, you know? You never know that. I did Bunty tour him there, you know, and them time them Movada act like fire, you know. You know say a Killer tour him there, when them left come back and go into the police them. So I don't know one of them they chat off in the mouth and I talk say. And next thing now, why the man them always want to put Vybz Kartel with alkaline? Then, why the man them always try to put the man with alkaline? A joke thing when I go on with dog, you know what I mean? And that's why the youth thing looks so shaky over there, you know. Because I want to put him up to the standard and when the man can't perform, you know, that same standard there, you know, say him fall off. Yo, Lord, the youth make him build him thing himself, dog. You hear me I say? Because him not there now, him not there now. Vybz Kartel was before him. If you go call Vybz Kartel name, you have to go talk about Movada and them shit there. If be a fucker, me hear you go on and chat be a fucker and then I go like on the intelligent more than a body. You not intellect my dog. Me not even like that. You see what I deal with? I don't even a lollipop thing. Me don't know what I deal with. You know what I mean? I don't even know what I deal with. What I deal with a straight lollipop thing. I don't even like that. Straight. And that's how the thing go. You hear me? But I smoke a Marlboro bad boy. Yeah. Shot.
No.
No, mess up, no. Yeah, my general, and I saw the thing go. You know what I mean? Look how much ears Vybz Kartel have on the man in a music. I want me to tell you, dog, I even have to play catch up, you know. Vybz Kartel not have to worry about that. Vybz Kartel not have to do a next new song again in a music, you know, dog. The catalog too much, you know, dog. I don't know if you know that, you know, dog. The youth not reach nowhere yet, you know, my brethren. I want me to tell you, man. The man not reach nowhere yet, man. When they there, lip up on the mouth and I go like wise and smart. You know wise and smart, my brethren. A force and I try force down thing. And right now, if Vybz Kartel should have turned away from dancehall music, who no have there? You not go push him there. You can't force out popcorn and put him there. And when you chat about people that say Vybz Kartel, and not the people that, and the world say that, my brethren. So you have to know that. And the world have to give the acknowledgement there. You know what I mean? You can't just come off for your own and I say, yo, you had this, you had that, you had this, you had that. Anybody can do that, my brethren. Do you have the proof to back it up? Do you have what it takes to back it up? And them thing they have to talk about. And this is not about no bash no artist. I just say, all the while, you don't want to talk about a pint and you want to talk about alkaline. Why you can't talk about the youth thing them where I'm going with? Why Vybz Kartel have to be the bumbuckler topic? You know what I mean? Him not reach us so yet. You know what I mean? And that's the problem between me and you because I can't force that down my throat. That's why I deal with because I watch Teacher Boss. And I watch him boss. First thing Teacher Boss with beer lyrics. And them man the boss have a controversial tattoo business, eye business. I saw him get popular. Teacher get popular by dropping beer lyrics in a people's ears. That's how Teacher Boss. That's why I deal with. And not after blood clot 10 years before Teacher start putting X10 and all bleach and tattoo and all them shit there. So I don't know what the fuck under there they chat about. You know what I mean? I'm not reach which part Teacher the dog. Yeah, I remember say Assassin and Teacher Boss together, you know. Assassin is not a hype youth, you know. And tell me, Assassin dead out of dancehall music? Eh? Assassin dead out of dancehall music. And you see them dog, they hold them own space and keep maintain that. And him can't stop get show and no matter who the hottest thing. Him can't stop get show. Because them youth they cement themselves in a dancehall with the level where I'm comfortable with. Same thing like Busy Signal. One I go say, I'm here on the day and I chat up on the mouth like some artists who are not talk about bad on them artists there. You know. Them not bad on them artists there. Them artists are too versatile. Or smart, them youth they smart. You know what I mean? Them youth they cement themselves as a classic artist. So when at the end of the day, when for them thing over, you have to have them man there as one legend in a blood clot dancehall. As them type of level that them man they cement themselves too. You know what I mean? The man they not follow uno and run along the hype and way. And some place over the world where them man they go perform. Some artists who not talk about hot and peppery, them never go them genre of the world they go perform yet. So when I talk about the greatest thing of to set the platform, and when you set it, you maintain it. You hear me? I see down in Africa, God people, some youth, some people are called cartel. I saw them I worship him as. So I don't know where the fuck you there talk about. You know what I mean? Right now, you know. Right now, you know, I have to understand the message them when I try to send sometime, you know. Because I lure me is a man. We say Gaza Alliance. Anything at all you talk, and me personally know, say a true real fuck and real true you talk. Me not contest your brethren, because me is not your opposition. I tell you that. Me not go, before me open my mind up, me not say nothing at all, my brethren. You know what I mean? Because me is not the one who for bring them Alliance or Gaza. When I that me, say me I go ask you loyal to my thing. But if Uno, I say something else and then Uno have a problem and rise a fucking pint, we wanna say the man them this or the man them that. If me know a true, me never walk my general. I tell you that. And me not come differentiate nothing between me and nobody. Because me not gonna say nothing bad about Gaza and Alliance because of that me represent. You hear that? In a full effect. You know what I mean? Each and every time when my sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment, You don't know how my thing go already, a loud explosion. You know what I mean? But me never try for size up, because let me tell you something, in a life, dog. In a life you can adapt. Where you see some people though, and even advance on it and move further. But your main focus in a life, you know, my virgin, I can't about the people, you know. The main focus in a life is about your goal and your dream, you know, my virgin. So I want to let go for that thing there, you know, my virgin. We want to call the man name with Vybz Kartel. Make the man focus on him dream, dog, and leave the youth and leave that thing there alone. Because when you see you going for Vybz Kartel, that a Vybz Kartel dream, you have to go get your old one, dog. You can't ride on that forever. I tell you, dog, how the fuck you go ride on high top forever? So what me if him quint him high? Where you going to drop off? Now build a thing, now build a reputation off for next man, dog. Build a reputation off for yourself, man. A real talk, man. Killer say me rate Bumbuckler Shabba ranking, man. And it's what I deal and try to build him and want to be one of them person there. But as Killer get the blood clot break and them thing them carve out to who him is. And I so come you have the Ground Godzilla, the 5-star general, the ghetto people defender. It's what I deal with. The double platinum artist. You hear me I tell you? The loudest voice in a dancehall. Mr. Phenomenal. Mr. Dancehall himself. You know what I mean? The General, Rodney Price, aka Bounty Killer. Watch. And the General and them hand over the rascal button to the rascal War Angel, who becomes the teacher. You see me, the principal. You see me, I deal with the king for blood clot dancehall. So me tell you something, you wait patiently for the time and don't waste the time, because you can't run before the time. You have to know that time is one of the surest things on the earth. And let me tell you something, not beat the father and not beat the time. So let me tell you something, you wait for the time. If you run before your time, you're going to get fucked up, a real talk. And then a lollipop thing, and the general, the 10-star one. Even baby, if them creep before them time, them walk before them time, should said, them have to still go back down on them knee and creep. You have to know that. A time of the master for all things. So no wait for the time I want to do that graceful in my virgin. You hear that? And the general, the 10-star one, represent in a full effect. You don't know how the thing go already. A loud explosion. A Gaza forever. Watch. General explode. Watch.